Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Hope you had a great week of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to talk about my Robinhood portfolio. Currently I'm at $200,287. Cash position of $18,000. I also have another $30,000 in a high yield savings account, so I can easily deploy it into the market when there are opportunities to buy. Most of my portfolio is in US equities, and the market has been very pessimistic. I would say the market is a measure of consumer confidence, and right now it is very low due to a lot of uncertainty. Scrolling down a bit, taking a look at my largest position, VOO, Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. This makes up 16.25% of our portfolio, or $32,550. Currently down 15.92%. So I believe short term it'll be down with all this uncertainty, but once things stabilize, then I think this is a good long-term hold. Next is Vanguard Information Technology ETF, which is a very good technology, like low-cost technology ETF. This makes up 6.24% portfolio, or $12,502. Currently up 36.43%. Next is Schwab Large Cap ETF, very similar to VOO. Makes up 4.48% portfolio, or $8,972. Down 5.78%. iShares Core S&P 500 ETF, very similar to VOO and Schwab. Makes up 1.03% portfolio, or $2,061, up 7.2%. Spider S&P 500 ETF, very similar to VOO, Spider, and iShares ETFs. Makes up 0.9% portfolio, or $1,811. Currently up 6.61%. First stock and my largest stock position is Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. Makes up 6.15% portfolio, or $12,312. Currently up 41.82%. Alibaba, which is my exposure to the Asia Pacific market, makes a 5.25% portfolio, or $10,521. Up 8.03%. Next is Microsoft. Makes a 4.91% portfolio, or $9,828. Currently up 54.93%. Visa makes a 4.27% portfolio, or $8,558. Up 32.17%. Alphabet Class A shares, which has voting rights, makes up 2.13% portfolio, or $4,272. Up 3.88%. Alphabet Class C shares makes up 1.61% portfolio, or $3,216. Up 7.57%. So Class C does not have voting rights versus Class A does. Next is NVIDIA. Makes a 3.66% portfolio, or $7,327. Up 8.74%. Amazon, which makes up 3.65% portfolio, or $7,320. Up 54.18%. Tencent, which is another Asia Pacific play, makes up 3.44% portfolio, or $6,884. Up 4.97%. Johnson & Johnson makes a 3.42% portfolio, or $6,851. Down 7.34%. Facebook makes up 2.29% portfolio, or $4,588. Down 11.66%. McDonald's makes up 2.21% portfolio, or $4,435. Down 8.02%. AT&T makes a 2.01% portfolio, or $4,017. Down 21.93%. United Health makes up 1.88% portfolio, or $3,769. up 23.23%. Costco makes up 1.87% portfolio, or $3,750, up 19.77%. Berkshire Hathaway makes up 1.52% portfolio, or $3,035, down 8.81%. Boeing makes up 1.42% of portfolio, or $2,835, down 58.03%. Boeing really took a big hit in the market this past year, down 74.78%. Past 5 years, down 37.98%. And they recently also cut their dividend, but I'm going to continue holding this for long term. Hopefully the government bails them out, but we'll see what happens. Home Depot makes up 1.36% portfolio, or $2,726, down 0.16%. 3M makes up 1.11% portfolio, or $2,232, down 38.42%. PepsiCo makes up 1.04% portfolio, or $2,078, down 12.97%. PayPal makes up 0.99% portfolio, $1,978, up 13.67%. NextEra Energy makes up 0.84% portfolio, or $1,683, up 6.69%. Activision Blizzard makes up 0.62% portfolio, or $1,236, down 21.7%. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company makes up 0.56% portfolio, or $1,112, up 2.17%. Thousand, which is like the Shopify China, makes up 0.54% portfolio, or $1,080, down 33.12%. Baidu, which is like the Google China, makes up 0.48% portfolio, or $957, down 52.81%. Constellation Brands makes up 0.18% portfolio, or $359, down 45.92%. Ichi, which makes up 0.17% of my portfolio, or $346, down 42.78%. Vanguard Consumer Discretionary ETF makes up 0.71% portfolio, or $1,417, up 4.23%. Vanguard Healthcare ETF makes up 0.66% portfolio, or $1,325, up 13.77%. Last but not least is Vanguard Mega Cap Value ETF, makes up 0.65% portfolio, or $1,305, down 10.91%. So that's all in my Robinhood portfolio. I plan to continue holding these stocks and ETFs and buying more stocks, preferably a good balance between dividend-paying stocks and growth stocks. I also want to increase my cash position, currently at $18,000, and $30,000 in my high yield savings account, so I can easily buy when there are opportunities to buy. That's all for this video. What's in your portfolio? Comment down below. Remember to use my referral links below. Both of us get $20 for using personal capital, or a free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.